Well, me G,
Yo, John, man, hungry.
can we no go check McDonald's?
You know what, hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? How you stay? You know, all right? I hope you in good health and good strength. And I hope you not feel no pain. If you not feel any pain, you don't know if you do already. Check the doctor. Go to the doctor. Call the doctor. Make the doctor come at your house if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, don't worry yourself. We're going to call your auntie, your brother, your sister, your cousin, Auntie Janet, Jacqueline, Patsy, everybody we go call. And somebody will be able to carry go to the doctor. And guys, we do the wellness check, yes? Do your wellness check because mental health crisis is not a joke. It is very, very serious. Very serious. Guys, if today your birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. And remember, guys, cook a lot of food so you can give to somebody. You know, the old person up the street presser. Guys, me no know how to even say this apart, but everyone is asking one question. Did Nick Vlog really throw it all away for an American lady? And more important, where is Groung? What is Groung have to say? And as far as me concerned, rumor have it that Nick Vlog TV left Groung for a white woman. Make we talk about it. Now the first thing we go say, me no come here to beat up Groung. Me no come here to beat up Nick. Those are the two first things me I go say. However, I also want to say to Groung, if this allegation or if this thing where everybody is talking about and the information that I get, if it's correct and Nick Vlog left you for an American white female, what I have to say to you is we were warning you from a very long time. We were warning you. Remember, I have beat you up very badly. I have beat you up a lot of times in the Colaz and Groung and Nick Vlog saga because we all see that Nick Vlog wasn't all that of a person. However, you are your own woman. You make your own decision. Your decision was to go and have a kid with Nick Vlog. I have no problem with that. I could not have a problem with that because it's you, yourself, and your body who make up your mind and make your decision. However, we were all telling you that you're making a big mistake. Listen to me good. Relationships is not something that I love to jump in and take no side. And that's the reason why I'm not taking any side here. The reason for that is when two head goes on pillows, all hell break loose. When two couple have a kid, it's a different situation than when they don't have any. So I will not be taking Groung side or I will not be taking Nick's side. What I'm going to say in this video is simple. What go wrong in the relationship? What goes wrong in the relationship? Because remember, the first thing go wrong in the relationship, Nick Vlog never want anybody to know that he get you Groung impregnate. That's a big red flag right there. That is a big red flag right there. So the thing is, what I have to say to you, Groung, if this is real, that you and Nick Vlog is not together, or if Nick Vlog went and cheated on you with this white American female and is with this American female, you only can blame yourself. And I go explain. Colaz Smith sees something in Nick Vlog that he did not want for you because he respects you as a hard-working person. However, remember, people say, and I'd say too, you turn your back on him. However, again, it's your life. It's not my life. It's not Colaz Smith's life. It's your life. You make your own decision. Now, the decision that you make is now coming back to haunt you. And I also want to ask you a question. You see, if Nick Vlog cheated on you or left you, the house that you build on Nick Vlog property, who is going to be the owner of that property? Because that property is already owned by him or his family. So my question to you is, if all this rumor is correct, because I get a bunch of information, I hear a couple things, but to be honest with you, one of the information that I gather is credible. Yes, one of them is a credible informant to me. Yes. And it says Nick Vlog cheated with a white woman. Yes, that one is credible. However, the question still stands. The house, because apparently you are now living at the house. So you are not at Nick Vlog house anymore. And that's just what the information that I gather. You're not at Nick Vlog house anymore. You are now living in the house that you make up. It's not finished. That's the information I gather. Don't count me on it. I am not there. So I'm working off the information that I get. So if you're living in that house right now by yourself, so Nick Vlog is living at his house by himself, I'm hoping for the best for you. Yes, me I hope for the best for you. Because it don't look good so far. Now, Nick Vlog, come here a little bit. Let me talk to you. You see, these are the things that happen in men and women relationship. Because you know that you never really want Groung. You know that, you know. But what? You did what you did because you never liked Colaz Smith. And you want to control the narrative on what's going on with Groung. And you do all what you do. And then you left come way out yourself. Come find white woman pan Groung. Now, we all are men. And we all are looking for greener grass. But as far as I concern, you are a deportee. To be honest with you, I am not sure if you're a deportee from Canada or the United States. And I am not sure where I didn't get that part where that white individual lives. But apparently, you're looking better for yourself, as calling to what I heard. As calling to what I heard, you're looking away out of Jamaica. Now, let me say this to you. You know all that long time ago, and you drag Groung all over the place, letting she feels like, yes, this is it, just because you want to get back at Colaz, just because you want to show them that you are the man. Because remember, you never want nobody to know that you are singing in a Groung Senapa. You never want nobody to know that. You did not want anybody to know that. And that's sad. When you not have a relationship, she not have a relationship, and when you don't want nobody to know that you're having intercourse with a woman, that is not good. That is not good. If you're in a relationship, then that's a different situation. But if you're not in a relationship, that is not good. That means you don't hold that woman or man credible to make people know that you have a relationship with them. Now I'm finished with you now. I'm not saying nothing much about you, Nick Vlog, because you're not a person that I even want to really say much about because I see you from a long time. Gungad, if you are watching my video, if you see my video, all is not lost. All is not lost. All you need to do right now, pack up your things, fix up yourself, make your video, live the life you want to live. I not go tell you, say, don't take back your man, don't take back your son, father. I will not have that conversation with you. But what I'm going to say to you, think about you, your kids, and going forward. Because remember, this kid that you have will not be the first kid that you have that you don't live with their father. So the decision that you make moving on from here should be very important. And the decision that you make from here going forward should be all about you and your kids. Because remember, we did a warn you. We did a warn you all this time. We did a warn you about Nick Vlog. But again, you are your own big woman. You take any man you want. You do anything you want with yourself because you yourself is yourself, and all we do is talk out of our food mouth because our idea is different from your idea. The only problem I'm going to tell you about is anytime you hear a set of people talking about something and giving you things that you should look into, never go too far from it. Always look into it. Always. Because see that house that you build on Nick Vlog family properties, I hope it not become a problem down the road. I hope it not become a problem down the road because it's one of the most things that cause the most problem in the world these days. Family land, building house on it, and don't have a paper. The person, remember I did make a video, and the video with me make, I said the person who have a paper for that property can come at any time and get you off that property at any time. Whether it's the police, the soldier, the lawyer, the barrister, see you I build that house, the person with the document that said, here is the land title, this is mine, have the right away. So make sure you have a piece of paper. I'm saying it, me say it already, and me I go say it again. Make sure you have a piece of paper towards that house and that land. Because if Nick Vlog decided to be who he is and who he show the world that he can be, and decided that he's going to take that house from you, which would be very, very wicked because you have his kid. But you don't know some people, me not gonna say some man, some people don't care about what you have or do with them. Then we take back them property. But guys, with that all that said, I want to say this to Groung. You should have listened. You should have listened to all of we because we did a warn you. And as I said before, rumor have it that Nick Vlog cheat by you, left you gone for a white American woman. That is what I heard. That's the information I gather. My question again is what could have happened that caused Nick Vlog to left you and gone? Me no want answer it in a my way, but me go answer it in a my way. Nick Vlog, as them say, him gone with a white woman. So I believe Nick Vlog see a white woman. You don't know, she has spent the money. Nick Vlog want the money because me no see him a put no video on him channel. So that means in make no money off him channel or me I make a small amount and him see something that is bringing in the money more and him go for it. That's all I can say. I won't say nothing more because I don't know anything about that specific part of it. I'm just saying what I think he may do. You get me, my viewers and subscribers? Me nah blame nobody for things that me not know about. The only thing me I say is that Groung, you was warned content creators, bloggers, Colaz, all of a lot of people warn you about the situation. A lot of people warn you about it. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, no say a word, peace and love. I give my 2 cents and I send a message to Groung and to Nick Vlog because you don't know each person have the right to do them own thing, live them own life because it's one aim, one heart, and one destiny. We only can talk what's on our mind because what's on our mind is from us, not the individual who is doing the thing or living in it. So again, enough respect, manners, and respect, and a whole heap of love. You know if you know. Watch the video, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Now say a word, peace and love. Until the next video, I'm out. Bye bye. Chat. Bye.